everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is going great with you all. As we know, it's Christmas time. This is the look that I created for the Christmas party. This is a pink Christmas party look instead of red. We must do something different each time, right? And this look is very simple and easy to create with very much affordable products which are easily available in the market as well as online or offline. If you want to know how I created this, then keep on watching. As my skin gets very dry during winter, so I feel the need of heavy moisturizer beneath my base makeup. That's why here I am using the moisturizer from Joy. It's honey and almond extract moisturizer. It's very nice. It's non-greasy and that's why I'm using it over my face. Actually, it's a body lotion. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal's True Match foundation. Again, this is not matte. It's satin finish and it's in the shade beige rose. I'm gonna apply it with my beauty blender. Just a single drop is enough for me and I'm dabbing it all over my face and neck. For concealer, I'm using my Maybelline's Eye Eraser Concealer in the usual places like under my eye area, my chin, nose, cupid's bow and forehead. And if you don't have the concealer, then what you can do is just mix some of your moisturizer with the foundation and it will be one shade lighter and that you can use it as the concealer. As I am creating the look with the minimum product that we usually have with us, so I am not using my bronzer stick. That's why I'm directly blending my concealer with the help of my wet beauty blender. You can also blend it with the help of your finger, or if you have any brush, with that also you can blend it very well. To set the concealer, I am using my Maybelline's Fit Me loose powder in the shade light medium and I am going to apply it with my wet beauty blender. You can use the powder brush for it. It's very important to set the concealer, otherwise it will start creasing into your fine lines and it will look cakey. And I am applying the loose powder only in the areas where we have applied the concealer. Here I am using the old-fashioned eyeshadow from the palette Lemonade Grace from Maybelline to contour my face just below my cheekbones, my jawlines and sides of the nose. You can use any dark brown eyeshadow from any palette you have to just give a nice structure and chiseled jawline. For the blush as well, I am going to take the color Ice Pop from the same palette, that is the Lemonade Grace from Maybelline, and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And as I told, I am going to use the minimum product, so that's why I'm using the same product and it's very beneficial. If you have, you can use it as a bronzer, as blusher and also as the highlighter because it has all the colors that we usually need for any eye makeup. Yeah, this is the best eyeshadow palette I feel for the beginners. They should have this palette with them. It's now time for the eye makeup and for that I'm again using my same eyeshadow palette and I'm mixing the two eyeshadows. Those are Berry Eyes and Coral Punch from the palette and applying it in the crease, and this will act as the transition shade. For this I'm using my fluffy brush to apply the eyeshadow and I'm applying the eyeshadow in the circular motion. The key factor in any eye makeup is blending, so make sure you take your time to blend the eyeshadows properly and dab off the excess eyeshadow before applying it directly to the eyelid so that it will be easy to blend it. Otherwise it will be hard to blend the eyeshadows. And also remember that hold your brush slightly away so that there is not much pressure on the brush and you can blend the eyeshadows neatly and seamlessly. And if you hold it very near to the bristles, then the more force will be on the bristles and you won't be able to blend the eyeshadows you want it to be like. I'm taking the Ice Pop color, that is the bright pink eyeshadow from the palette, and placing it in the outer V corner of my eyes, and I will be reapplying the eyeshadow till I get the intensity that I want. Here I am dragging the same Ice Pop color, that is the bright pink color, in my lower lash line to smoke out a little bit, and I am using the same brush to apply the color. To darken up the outer V corner a little bit more, I am using the Old Fashioned from the same palette, that is the dark brown color, and applying it just beside the pink eyeshadow that we applied. And for this I am using a slightly angled fluffy brush. By taking the color Strawberry Lemonade, that is the pink glittery eyeshadow, with the help of my finger, I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelids. For lining my eyelids, I am using the Black Colossal Kajal pencil from Maybelline, and I'm gonna draw a line very close to my lash lines, as I want to create a smoky eyeliner look. So by taking a small smudging brush, here I am smudging out the liner and also creating a small fake wing. For mascara, I am using the two mascaras. Firstly, I am using the False Lash Superstar from L'Oreal and applying the part 1, that is the fiber portion, to make my lashes more fluffier and longer. And the second one is the Maybelline's Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. And I'm not using any falsies here, but if you want you can use the falsies, but it's very important to apply the mascaras even if you use the falsies. And if you are not using it, then apply the 2 coats of mascaras, and if you are using the falsies, then just a single coat of mascara is enough. For highlighter, again I'm using the same palette and taking the eyeshadow Main Squeeze and applying it on the cheekbones, under my brow bone, my cupid's bow, my chin, tip of my nose and bridge of my nose. For lips, I am using the Shambour's liquid lipstick in the shade 2997. It's a bright pink color lipstick, and before that I have applied the lip liner all over my lips so that my lipstick stays longer. Fill in my brows, I am using the brow pencil from Etude House, and before filling it I am using the spoolie from one end to brush my brow hair, and then I will be filling up the eyebrows very quickly. So yeah, this is the final look for the Christmas party. I did this look because I wanted to do something very easy, also with the minimum product which are available in the market very easily, and with those products that most of us have in our home. I end up doing this look here, and I did a pink Christmas makeup. I don't know why, but I just like pink, so that's why I did a pink Christmas makeup instead of red. And if you want me to do something red for the Christmas, that too very quick and simple, and again with minimum products, please do comment me in the comment section below, and I will try my level best to show you the red Christmas party look. So yeah, this is it for today's video. You can follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, and the links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. Also follow me on TikTok, and the ID for that I will be giving in the description box below, so do check that as well. And do comment me in the comment section whether you like the look or not, and which look you wanna see next. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.